Got a fire going, and it's a pretty nice fire. It's very warm, putting out a lot of heat. You don't need a lot of heat on a night like tonight. Any kind of heat I think is good. Even the heat from the bike, still a little bit warm, but I don't think it'll keep me warm all night. Well, the bike held up pretty well today. I guess I need to rethink my straps. I took a spill on it and almost lost my sleeping bag. It wasn't strapped on very well anyway, but need to rethink my straps situation, I think. But everything else came out pretty well. Got a few bruises, got a few scuffs and mud on the jacket, but and on my pants, but everything will be alright. Man, this fire, I just want to sit out here all night. I mean, this is really nice. Not even wearing my gloves. It's so nice just sitting around the fire now. It's of course I still got my my Peruvian hat on. This thing is badass. Well, that was pretty interesting. My bike just fell over. Not really sure. It's 1:15 in the morning, and my bike just fell over. Kind of strange. Anyway, you can see I'm wrapped up pretty tight. It's pretty cold in here. While I was out picking up my bike, decided to snatch my other bag. It's a 30-something degree bag, but I'm gonna use it because this mummy bag is just a little bit short for me. It says 83 inches. I'm not that tall, but this thing's only coming up to my shoulder. Here's some interesting stuff. I don't know if you can see this, but ice crystals on the inside of a tent. Never actually seen that before. That's kind of a crazy new thing. Anyway, yeah, so obviously it's freezing if it's crystallizing ice inside the tent. Anyway, give it another shot, see if I can go back to sleep. So far, not too bad. Hope the bike doesn't fall over again. I made it. It's a little bit after 6 a.m. in the morning. Still a little bit dark outside, but I'm alive. Kind of rough sleeping on this hard frozen ground, but that's a first. I've never done that before. But I'm gonna pack this thing up and get rolling back to the house. Mission accomplished. What a mess. Look at all the ice. My gosh. Ice. Ice, ice, baby. Wow. Wow. That is crazy.